Hi, I'm Alia. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun that we learn the days of the week, so Monday through Sunday. Alright, so let's just begin. So let's begin with Monday, because in Slovenia we start our week with Monday. So we say ponedeljek. Ponedeljek. Alright, it means Monday. Alright, so let's give an example. So čez 4 dni bo ponedeljek. So what I said is, in 4 days, it is going to be Monday, because today is Thursday. Alright, so now we have ponedeljek. Let's continue with torek. So torek is Tuesday. Example using torek, we can say v torek imam izpit. It means on Tuesday I have an exam. So v torek, on Tuesday, imam, I have. So jaz imam, I have. Izpit is an exam. Alright? Alright, awesome job. Let's continue with sreda. So sreda is Wednesday. So now we have ponedeljek, torek, sreda. Awesome. Alright, so an example would be, let's say I went to the movies on Wednesday. I actually didn't, but still, just an example. So v sredo sem šla v kino. So what I said is, v sredo sem šla, so jaz sem šla, I went, v kino, to the movies. V is in, or kind of to, and kino is a movie theater. Alright, so v sredo sem šla v kino. Alright, awesome job. Let's continue with četrtek. Since today is Thursday, I can say danes je četrtek. So today is Thursday. Danes means today, je is, četrtek, Thursday. And now, what will we say for the next day? So jutri, tomorrow, bo petek, or jutri je petek. It just depends what you want to say. So je means is, but bo, it means like it's going to be. Okay, so petek, we said, means Friday. And an example would be, since I feel most people on Fridays hang out with their friends, I can say v petek bom šla v mesto s prijatelji. So it means on Friday I will go to the city with friends. So v petek, on Friday, bom šla, I will go, v mesto, to the city. So mesto is a city, and prijatelji are friends. Alright, so s prijatelji, with friends. Alright, so s means with. The day that follows is Saturday, so we say sobota. Sobota. Alright, so an example for Saturday, since usually I wake up kind of late on Saturdays, we can say v soboto se ponavadi zbudim. So on Saturdays I usually wake up, or on a Saturday I usually wake up okoli 10, around 10. So let's just repeat it one more time. V soboto se ponavadi zbudim okoli 10. Awesome. Alright, and the last one is Sunday. So Sunday we say nedelja. Nedelja. An example for Sunday would be, let's say that it's my favorite day of the week, I would say nedelja je moj najljubši dan v tednu. So Sunday is my favorite day of the week. Okay? Or in the week. So nedelja je moj najljubši. So Sunday is my favorite. So je is, moj, my, najljubši, favorite. Dan v tednu. Day in a week. Alright, so one more time. Nedelja je moj najljubši dan v tednu. Kateri je tvoj najljubši dan v tednu? So I just asked you, which is your favorite day of the week? So you can answer in the comment section below. Moj najljubši dan v tednu je. And then insert the day of the week that you like most. Or you can just put it the same as I did. So you just start with the day of the week. So let's say sobota, so Saturday. Sobota je moj najljubši dan v tednu. And now let's go through all of them one more time for the last time. So let's begin. Monday, ponedeljek. Tuesday, torek. Wednesday, sreda. Thursday, četrtek. Friday, petek. Saturday, sobota. Sunday, nedelja. Alright, awesome, that's it, you got it. Now you know all the days of the week in Slovenian, and I hope you like this video, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. And if you have any more ideas what video I should do next, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to record them. Lately I've been very busy, so I'm sorry about that, but I will try and get back on track with recording videos for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you soon, take care, ciao ciao!